This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
Today we have a gas stove burner that isn't lighting really well, so we're just going to be using a wire brush. You can get these at the dollar store. They're really inexpensive. They sometimes have brass or sometimes steel brush, but either one works really well. They get rid of the corrosion. So I lifted off the burner cap, and I'm just going to clean in there really well with the wire brush. And then any of the metal surfaces that touch, I'm going to get those really clean by just scrubbing them with the wire brush. The idea of this is that when the spark goes to ignite the gas, if you have good metal to metal contact, you're going to have a good ground circuit, and the spark is going to jump with a much stronger, bigger spark, which is much more likely to cause ignition. And if these are dirty, which they often get dirty and corroded, kind of a type of rust, they will not light very well. So all I'm doing is using the wire brush to just go over all the metal surfaces where they're going to touch the other metal surfaces, and carefully and gently cleaning the igniter. And the igniter has the white porcelain around it, and you have to be kind of careful because that can break. If it cracks, then the igniter won't work very well anymore. So being careful of that and just getting everything else really clean just through abrasion. You can also get some CRC electrical cleaner. It comes in a can. You can get it like at Home Depot or most hardware stores. And if you go to Home Depot, it's in the electrical section, but it's really good for cleaning these burners. Helps them to light a little faster, a little bit better. And the main thing though is just using the abrasion with the wire brush works really good. And then when you put the burner head back on and the different pieces, just take your time, make sure everything's very well aligned. If the burner cap or the burner head is a little bit of an angle, the flame won't come out correctly, and sometimes it won't even light. So take your time to really thoroughly clean all these metal surfaces, and when you put the pieces back together, just take your time, make sure everything's nice and straight, and it should work really well to get your all your burners working again. Usually the front two are the ones that have trouble because we use them the most often, but this is a really simple way to get your gas burners going again. Here I'm just cleaning the little jets where the gas and the flame come out, and you can use a sharp tool also, like an awl or any kind of a sharp implement to get into those holes to get out of any of the carbon that might have built up. But this is just a common kind of a tune-up that you should do with your gas stove. Probably about every quarter, about every 3 months would be great. And keep it running really well. Here's that electrical cleaner. Spray it on, spraying it on the igniter and all the metal parts of the burner. That's called CRC, electronic cleaner. So I hope this has been helpful to you and gets your stove burners all running really well. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance. Thanks again.